Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and today we have a beautiful deep blue metallic 2015 Tesla Model S in the shop. The reason why this beautiful car is here, that actually traveled to us all the way from Palm Springs area to us in Los Angeles, is because this customer wants to update the look of his Tesla. So what we're going to do today is we're going to remove this front bumper completely and install our front bumper refresh, also known as FBR. What it's going to do is give this car a whole new current look compared to what it currently has. So the nose cone look is out, the new look is coming in, and we have our client here with us today that's also going to share with you a little bit about what we're going to do, and then we're going to get right at it.
Hi, my name is Joel. This is my Tesla S, which I've had almost 3 years. I've got just about 56,000 miles, having taken it to the East Coast twice and about to do it again. Rather than get a new car, I decided to give my Tesla an upgraded look like a brand new one, and I'll drive this car forever. It's so much better than any car I've ever had, and I am just a happy camper.
So here it is. We have completed the installation of our FBR for Joel's car here. I think you will all agree that this is an incredible transformation. I mean, from what we started off with before and now where we're at after, Joel has a brand new looking Model S, even though technically it's not brand new. Joel, thank you so much for your business. We really appreciate it. Thank you to you and your wife for driving all the way down from Palm Springs, Palm Desert area to get this done. It's been a long day, but she's looking beautiful.